Welcome to my channel. Good evening to everyone. Today I am going to discuss the topic. Do you know the profile creations? So how to create the profile? So based upon that profile creation, which I will be the user for creating that profile. So I will be using that only HTML and CSS, that type of the technology I will use, and then I will make some one type of my virtual profile creation. So let's go for that topic. So first of all, before I am going to start that about that profile creation code, I will explain. Uh, so I will show you the what is our aim of that profile creation. So I need to look like this type of the profile creation I need. So shall we go for the creation of this profile? So by using which I we have using so here the code editor tool is the Replit. So in this Replit, I am making that HTML code. So you know how default code to HTML doc structure code that how to make by using the shortcut key, the accelerometers, and then you can enter the not only enter, you can just tab that, so then easily get. So here our title is the my profile creation, my virtual profile creation. So so coming to the see here. So before I'm going to explain this topic, so I want to explain this structure, HTML structure. So the new thing here, we know the cat set UTF-8 in meta tag, the new one, not only new one, it is old, but I will explain this the XUI compatibility of the HTTP request. What does it make? So useful for that in the browser. So why should we are provide in meta tag this ID equal to edge? So what is these things? So here, suppose if what is the IE here? What is the abbreviation of the IE? What is IE is the here Internet Explorer. So that's that Internet Explorer. The mode is the here edge. So they are the Internet Explorer kind of nowadays then does not support to the every browser to which is have the upgrade technologies. So the those update technologies not have uh, allows that in that Internet Explorer. So that's those higher when you are using this the edge mode. So then every the higher mode of the every technology which is have updating technology, that all things will be update as allowing for the rendering of the content or everything. The Google, suppose we can take the Google Chrome that extensions also, or which is have the Google Chrome framework, the that those things, the all the rendering in this when you have using these modes, and all things are allowed. So by so let's go for the for example, I am ask the Google. So what is that? What this thing? XA compatibility. So what will give this? So here you can go for in this Stack Overflow, and so here I already told what is the difference of the web page. So no need take. So you should take answer only. So here the depending upon that Microsoft browsers you support, you may not need to contain using the XU compatible tag. So here the tag allows web orders to choose the what the versions Internet Explorer page should be the render as. Okay, suppose here the different versions are based upon the modes is there, the Internet Explorer 11. So it is allowed the um, so latest which you have the more latest technologies, those all technologies rendering. So like such that as what is like technologies HTML5 and CSS3, those all things it is allowed by when you have the use this IE11 mode. It is the upgraded mode, but better than now we are using here. What is the mode? IE edge mode. So here what tells to edge here? Here edge mode tells to the browser. So render the so content, so it tells to the browser. So then as then the browser allowed that which browser here, the Internet Explorer browser allowed, and which is have the new things happen in Google framework and also other technology. All things they allowed to for the rendering every content. So that purpose they this mode we are using. So next so here there are different various versions is there. So that is the Internet Explosion mode 11 and 10, 9. So here in 11, 10 is the latest. All things allowed HTML5 and HTML CSS3. Here the 9 is not allowed CSS3. So for animation only. So those remaining 8, 9, 7, all things is the happen. So you can search everything. So next go for the our topic. So that's it about that XUV compatibility, IA Internet Explorer Edge mode. So next coming to the point, our our aim my virtual profile creation. So my virtual create. So what can I do for here? So I will. So in that browser, where is the browser here? Oh wow wow! They are showing virtual profile heading and no need. Here we have no need. I need the div tags to contain the main. So I will take the class. In this class, I need to take container name. So which is why should we have taken? So what is our aim? So I need first of all I need to set up the container of the body. So in that body, so which is we have the background here, background picture is there, and also background red is there. So I need to go for the explain about this thing. So already I made, so I need to the another div, so which I have compatible. So I here not automatically end tag creating. So when I take another class for making the that profile, that is the profile settings. Then the profile settings which we have here is there, profile settings. What is the profile settings? So in that profile settings, not profile settings, we will take another one. Profile card, yes, that's right. So next whatever you can take anything. I need to make the profile, so that's why I'm taking. So now I will go for the next class. So the profile card, inside the profile card I have the profile settings is there. What is the settings? The profile card header, no profile card header, not profile profile card settings I need. So in that settings, what is the settings here? This is the menu icon and this is the settings icon. So let's go for, I will make that two pictures. So in this how I am using the image tag for the making that two icons which I have taken. So here my source is the different. So I will first should make tab completion after where I have taken first the settings. So here available that the menu icon and settings icon the images available in this assist folder. So I will select that settings. This where is the menu tag. So how I need to menu tag. So how can I import here in source file? So I will taking so I assist so assist which is type of this I need profile. So in this, so let's go for assets and also I need to the menu dot png. What will happen? Or okay, right. So I'm going to take this picture in assistant. So now I will search the results here. My picture is crashed, so that's why the profile picture, not profile picture. This is the menu icon. That is the menu icon. That is the menu icon which I want to go for. Explain that. So the class here also we can take the menu icon only. The menu icon. So next the results. What's going on? Why not showing here? This is the importing problem here. Source code. What's happened? So assets and some menu. What is the spelling of that? Menu.png. And here our results will. Where is that image icon? So let's go. We can ask the ChatGPT what is the problem here. So what is the problem here? What's the problem here? Let's check. So after when you will ask like this ChatGPT, it will give the suggestions which is where is the error throwing. So that is the best way. So error here in the specification like 7, 9 and 11 lines. So div tag container closing double quotation is missing. Okay. So where is that container tag is there? There is something missing. Okay. So next the div tag is the double quote missing and the closing double quote is missing in line number 9. So here, so and also the closing double quote is missing. Profile card and profile card settings. Okay, so we can check once and paste it here that all code. What will happen? We will see what happened. Mhm. Again, here a problem, main thing